What's up, guys? I just landed my first residential new construction project and I'm super excited about it. This is huge for me. But man, let me take you through the journey. Let's go. Like I said before in my previous video, it has been always a goal of mine to start my own HVAC business. And so this opportunity of securing this first new construction project for myself and for the company, it's super exciting. And also at the same time, I'm very terrified. And that's why I say, it's just the emotional roller coaster that I'm going through in like actually doing this on my own. Before working for someone else, everything is done for you. The plans, the bidding, all that is done for you. All you do is just show up and do the work. And and the other thing too is like if something goes wrong, that's on the company. That's what terrifies me. And I've worked with other companies. I've done what I could with my time with these companies in learning what I could with whatever, opportunities that I had with the companies. And so here I am and going through with it and just feeling all the emotions. And so, hey, let's go. Bidding process. Honestly, I was very lost. I'm very lost on that part. And like I said, I was an installer. Coming from an installer to business, self-employed, this is all new to me. You can give me a plan, I can go in and do the install. That was my thing. I knew what I needed to do as an installer. Everything before that, I'm lost. So bidding process, dude, I don't even know where to start, what to do, what numbers I need to get to create this bid. Like markup, I've only heard of that since I've been on my own. Other than that, I've never heard it before. So, man, it's terrifying. It's stressful because, I know that I needed to get this bid right. I know that I needed to make sure that everything was covered within this bid. And so, man, being overwhelmed and terrified, it was a lot, but I knew I only had one option. If I already made the step to do this and go out on my own, I had to do a lot of research on how to bid. And then I also had to reach out to a lot of my, the relationship that I've made over the years of being in the HVAC industry. And those relationships came through on helping me in creating this bid. And so that was very helpful in having those relationships. And, that's another key thing if you are, wanting to get into the HVAC industry and do your own thing while you're working for other companies, build those relationships. But, going back to the bidding process is, those people came through, and also the research that I've done on my own, it really helped me in creating the bid. But, I just had to go through with it and do the best that I could. And so, here we are. I did it, and the outcome, let's see. The emotional roller coaster of this whole process, this bidding process. And oh man, it's when I received that email of securing my first project, man, I was over the moon excited. I was in my head like, man, I made it. I can do this. Shoot, no one can stop me now. And then reality hit. And it hit me hard. Like, it's crazy just the emotions that I was going through. It's just right after that excitement, I just felt like the self-doubt, the fear. Can I really do this? Am I even skilled enough to do this? Do I even have the knowledge to do this? What if I fail? Just all those self-doubt and just that fear of, messing up. Self-doubt is real. But with all that, I know I had to push through it. Going through all that emotion, I had to get back to my head and just tell myself, it's like, I had to remind myself of all the hard work and the goals that I've set for myself that I had to go through to get to this point. I had to remind myself, like, this is everything that you've wanted. This is all part of the process. I just had to remind myself of those things. And so it's real. I've recorded the whole process of the installation of my first project, but I got to tell you, it was a grind. But every second of it was worth it. Just seeing everything come together and just knowing that this is just the start of building in this vision that I have for, this business that we've started. And so just knowing that it's just all worth it, just the grind and late into the night of doing this work. But let's show you what we did. Before we get to the installation, leave a comment. I want to know what you would do with all the emotions that you would go through and being new and not knowing anything. Like, what would you do differently? And would you still go through with it? Leave that comment. I want to know. I want to see what people would do in this situation. But hey, for those that are not subscribed, please subscribe. It would help, the channel immensely. And so just push that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. So let's get to the installation. It's exciting. As always, though, we're going to get in here, smash it, and do the clean work, because got to make sure, this is our first customer and got to make him happy. As always, let's go. Upstairs first. Here's the upstairs. We got a 3.5 ton furnace, upflow. We got the master and the closets over there, laundry room. Here's a bedroom right here. And then we got a bedroom right here and a bedroom in the bathroom over there. Pretty easy, simple. Let's go downstairs in the basement. Here's the main area. Got a 30 by 8, 30 by 8, and a 14 by 8. Kitchen. Let's go to the basement. Here's the basement. Got a bedroom. It's the main area. And here's another bedroom, bathroom. And here's my mechanical room. Here's my furnace. It's a 5-ton furnace. It's 11:05 a.m. Let's go. Okay, so here's our furnace box. Just got done making it. Okay, got my furnace all set up. Here's the side. Let's go. I got my return drop in. Time to build up. Got custom made. Got here my starter piece. I didn't have one, so had to make one. Let's get it. Okay, I got my furnace set in place. Now I'm gonna start running my duct. I got here my T. Got 20 by 8 on this side and 16 by 8 on the other side. I gotta make some turning vanes because I didn't get any turning vanes, so here we are. We gotta make some. Let's go. Okay, so we got my turning base pieces cut in. Now I just gotta bend these and connect it. This piece, gotta roll it, give it that bend. Kinda like this one. See that? Wasn't like that. Let's get it. Okay, I got my turning beams done. Now we just gotta install them, put them in. Put on this last screw. That's it. There she is, 16. And that's how we do it. There it is, the T beams, turning beams. I got my T up. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. Right there, baby. Let's go. We're gonna go check on Brian on the second floor. Let's go see how Buddy's doing. Hey. How's it going, buddy? Let's see ooh, you got the heater out? See that furnace? Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's time for the light to come on. Oh yeah. So we got that T up. Now we got our duct going both ways. 8x20, 16. 8x20, and then 8x16. 744. Let's go. Right, Brian just left, so I think I'm just gonna put up a couple more duct, then I'll be heading out. 8:33. Yeah, it's about time to go home. We'll be back tomorrow. Let's go. if you are thinking of taking a leap, whether it is starting your own thing or, taking on a big project for the company that you are working for, you know, it's scary. You're going to doubt yourself, but you just got to do it. You'll never know what you're capable of if you don't do it. Set that goal, whatever it is that you want to achieve, and stick with it. And then when the time comes, you just got to pull that trigger and go with it, man. That's the only way to do it. If you've ever taken a leap like this, let me know. Drop a comment. I want to know what your experience was like. And don't forget to subscribe and push that notification button. I'm doing a lot of, behind the scene videos. I'll be documenting my whole journey from the beginning to wherever this journey takes me. I'll be recording my thoughts, feelings, fears, and whatever I experience on this journey, I'll be recording it all. And hopefully, it helps someone else in pursuing the same thing that I'm doing. And so, hey, that is it. Push that notification button so it notifies you when my next video's out. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.